Potential curriculum in philosophy master's program in United States. Generally, graduate programs in philosophy emphasize social, political, ethical, and legal philosophy and may cover classical, modern, and contemporary aspects of these areas. Some MPhil programs cover all periods in the history of philosophy and explore a diversity of philosophical approaches, including ethics and social political philosophy. There are also programs that offer interdisciplinary programs that might incorporate philosophy and law, philosophy and theology, and philosophy and psychoanalysis. Master in philosophy graduate studies tends to be research oriented. Students might work together with the scholars to glean philosophical research skills. Fun fact: many law schools and states and local bar associations providing continuing legal education courses that help lawyers stay current with recent developments. Courses vary by state and generally are related to the practice of law, such as legal ethics. Potential career paths of MPhil graduates. It is not common to ask among ourselves, what can I do within Master of Philosophy? If you done any search of job titles, it may be hard to find one that has philosophy in the description unless it is a teaching job. However, graduate studies in philosophy encourage critical and systematic inquiry into fundamental questions of right and wrong, truth and falsehood, the meaning of life, and the nature of reality, knowledge and society. Perhaps more than any other discipline, philosophy explores the core issues of the Western intellectuals' traditional philosophy. Encourage the student to formulate questions and follow arguments. Earning and master in philosophy may provide an excellent preparation for law school and other professional programs, as well as solid foundations career in business, teaching, writing, or public services. There are different potential careers paths of graduate with Master of Philosophy. Some of these might include academia, post-secondary philosophy teachers work in knowledge universities, junior college, and religious organizations. Most commonly, post-secondary teachers must have PhD, although in some cases a master's degree may be enough for some jobs. Law. Lawyers advise and represent businesses and government agencies on legal issues can and dispute. Part of their work involves presenting facts and arguing on behalf of clients. Judges and hearing officers. Professionals in the field apply the law by overseeing the legal process in court, conduct pretrial hearings, resolve administrative disputes, facilities negotiations, and issues legal decisions. Political sciences. Political sciences studies the original development and the operation of political sciences, such as in the political ideas and analysis governmental administration. Compliance manager plan, track, and coordinate activities of organization to ensure compliance with ethical or regulatory standards. Top executives ready to pursue a master's in philosophy degree we discussed in our next video. Hope you enjoy this. Take care. Bye bye.